in your 3 years with Arden, can you share with us a quick year-by-year recap on how Lions grew through in terms of your division habits, wins, lessons, and goals?
Going back memory lane, nung nag-start kami dito way back 2019, actually, I have so many hesitations. Number one, syempre, another role from executive sales manager, kukunin ko yung sales director position. Actually, at first, I was not the first choice of Miss Roby. Lagi kong ginagawang motivation yun. Kasi nung first time na sinabi niya sa akin, I take niya itong role na position and he has people in mind for that position. So inisip ko, paano ko? Diba? So sabi ko sa sarili ko, sige okay lang kahit anong ibigay mo sa akin position as long as magkasama tayo. Kasi for me, para makapag-work na maayos, pinipili ko rin kasi yung boss ko. And Miss Rowie has been there with me since mga consultant days pa namin. Nung iniisip ko, teka, sales director, parang I'm feeling in a big shoes. Kasi nakita ko paano siya mag-work as our head before. So iniisip ko una, paano ko iti-take responsibility. And yun nga, paglipat namin, 2019, kami pala yung nauna rito, tinake ko na kagad yung challenge na yun. Lagi ko na sa isip, during that time, I need to prove that I'm worthy of the position. Una kong ginawa, number one, yung objective. Ano ba yung gusto kong magkaroon, maging leader? Sisimulan ko sa sarili ko eh. Ano ba yung values, paano ba yung sales process, paano ba yung ways na gusto kong patakbuhin sa division ko. So, unti-unti, nag-hire ako ng mga individual and ang iniisip ko lang, ito yung gusto kong values, ito yung gusto kong working habits, ito yung gusto kong total package ng division ko. And I need to incorporate them kung ano yung gusto ko mangyari. Kasi mag-start sa akin, susunod mag-start yan sa leaders ko eh. 2020, when we started full blast selling, ang una kong minanage dyan, ang una kong nilead sa kanila is number one, unity. Kaya doon nabuo yung Roar as One namin. Na no one will be left behind, we're only good as our weakest member. So it started with the purpose. And also, next doon yung habit. Yung working habits nila, we need to develop it kasi it is not overnight sensation na automatic alam mo na. Lagi ko nga sinasabi sa kanila, for you to create a new habit, it should be 30 days. Diba? Start from day 1, magsimula ka, grind pa ulit-ulit hanggang sa yung body mo, malaman niya na kung ano yung gagawin, pati yung isip mo, malaman na rin. And also knowledge. Nag-aral kami sabay-sabay, tinuro ko sa kanilang knowledge ko, especially sa online, kung paano i-manage yung mga tao, kung paano sila i-lead. Nung na-incorporate na yun, kasi ang una ko tinrin mga leaders before they hire naman. So nung nag-hire sila, doon na namin pag-iisahin. Ang pinaka-challenge dito is how different individuals can unite as one. Sabi ko nga, my strength will be others' weaknesses and their strength will be my weaknesses. Sinet namin yung goal. We want to be the standard, the barometer of success dito sa Arden. And yung 2020, talagang winner card namin yan. Kaya doon nabuo yung Roar as One. So, na-surpass namin 2020, nag-top kami, and the following year, 2021, we need to prove that it's not a chamba kung bakit namin nagawa to. So, dun pumasok yung Lion strength. Ang gusto kong i-emphasize naman doon, yung battle cry namin during that year is, sige, nag-roar as one na tayo. Ngayon, yung strength na buo natin as one unit, ipakita natin sa lahat. Na despite of all the challenges, kasi nag-pandemic eh. Diba, nag-pandemic tayo sa vision pandemic, may nawalang division, may pumalit. So, doon namin papakita yung Lion strength namin. Nung nag-top kami ng 2021, it's a new battle cry. Pagdating namin ng 2022, ang battle cry namin doon is Lion's Pride. Sabihin, someone came into our turf, we need to prove to everyone na this is ours. This is not yours. Diba? It's a jungle out there. And it will take a true heart of a lion to survive. Yun ang pinaka-importante. So, that 2022, doon na kami nagsimula. January pa lang, kin-grind out na namin. And kalahati pala ng taon, ang layo na naagwat namin. Pero ang pinaka-ultimate goal, ang ultimate pride is yung mga natanim namin and nakukomisyon ng mga tao ko para sa families nila. May iba dyan, they came from humble beginnings, tas dito nagkaroon sila ng name, nagkaroon sila ng self-worth, and lahat yun because of Arden. Come 2022, sabi ko sa mga leaders ko, this year, 2022, bago ito matapos, we will become legendary. We were aiming for our three-peat. For 3 consecutive years, napakahirap maging consistent. Okay mag-top. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, okay yan. Pero for you to do it consistently and overcoming all the challenges na number 1, you always praise God. Pangalawa, you humble yourself. Na kahit ganito yung na-achieve mo, iniisip mo pa rin, there's so many things to improve. Don't stop learning. So, yun lang ang in-impart ko sa amin. And until now, we became legendary. So, Lions, we always roll us down.
In what ways did you change since you first joined me?
Actually, when I first joined ABE, everything is set. The things that I wanted for my division, the working habits that I want for them, and also the platform, the sales process for my leaders and also for my people. So everything is organized, and then the things that I needed to improve, like more time to spend in learning, in educating each and everyone, and also continuous process of learning new things.
What setbacks did you experience with your division and how did you overcome them?
Actually, we had so many setbacks because collecting group of talents and associating all your mindset, all the values that you wanted to imply, all the learnings. Kasi iba-ibang tao yan, especially may leaders. For you to combine them and for you to hone them as one, that's the most difficult thing to do. How I overcome them is, number 1, I lay down my purpose. As when they understand my purpose and creating jobs and also changing lives, I think that's the most important thing for a person is the purpose why you're doing this.
Describe the day-to-day life of the champion.
Day-to-day life, number 1, syempre pagising mo, all you think about is kung paano mo i-improve yung sarili mo, paano mo improve yung sales process ng mga tao. And also, syempre, dyan nakasalalay lahat kabuhayan nila, kabuhayan ko, and ngayon, ang purpose namin is kabuhayan ng buong tao sa marketing unit namin. So, yun lang, yung malasakit na yun for other people, yun na yung, yun yung day-to-day, kasi all will follow. Pag alam mo na may malasakit ka sa iba, gusto mo matupad yung programs mo sa kanila, that's the most important thing.
Name 2 things that you would to level up sales.
Number 1, trust the process. Ulitin natin, back to basic. Check natin lahat ng mga process kung nasusunod ba. Kasi pag wala tayong benta, wala lang ibig sabihin na meron ka lang hindi nagawa. Pangalawa, siguro more time dito sa negosyo natin. Kasi lahat naman di ba, if you spend more time, the profit or yung result, dadating yan.
So, we prepared 2 candid questions for you.
Bakit 2? Di ba dapat isa lang?
Pick one from the list.
Ba't parang pare-parehas to? Reveal the 5th last photo in your gallery and explain why you took it. No cheating. Sabi ko. Camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kami-message ko yung doktor ko. Si Doc Lapus. Regarding doon sa medicine na binigay niya sa akin, actually vitamins. Ayan. This can clog your arteries. Okay? Thank you very much and kapish.